Hey guys, Crypto June here. As you can see, a different kind of setup because we are currently at the Euros 2024 to support the Netherlands team. The Netherlands team is playing football and we are at the 1/8 final. So sorry for the background and maybe the microphone, but we need to record a video. I want to talk about a project that is called ReadySwap. And ReadySwap is your Telegram bot by Solana projects. And this project is a very useful project. Why? Because the Solana projects are currently booming. Of course, you can buy it with Radium and also you can buy them through Jupiter. It's easy to buy. But with a Telegram bot, you can buy way easier. Why? Because you just copy paste the contract address. You don't have to approve anymore and you can just buy a token, how much you want, how much percentage. You can set limit orders. There is so much possible. And ReadySwap is your go-to Telegram bot to buy your favorite Solana meme coins. So let's talk about the project. But before I tell you more about ReadySwap, I want to tell you guys, we have 5,000 subscribers currently at the Crypto June channel. So if you're not subscribed yet and you want to know more about new projects and upcoming gems, like and subscribe to the channel. And I see you of course in the next video. Let's start with the website of ReadySwap. After that, we talk about the developments on Twitter. And after that, I'm gonna tell you more about the bot. So let's start with ReadySwap website. Elevate your on-chain trade capabilities on the Solana network with a Telegram bot. So it makes your life easier. You can buy your favorite coins way faster, but also way easier. Like I said, you have different kind of options, different kind of buttons. I will show all of them later on in this video. So if you're curious about that, you can go to the part of the bot, but first the website. For futures, trade now, rich mobile platform. ReadySwap is a Telegram-based bot that grants your power of functionalities on your mobile. I experienced it the same. I want to buy some projects, then I need to go to my Phantom wallet, then I need to go to the browser. It was quite hard, but with ReadySwap, I was able to buy just copy pasting the contract address. That's all. And that's amazing. And it's way faster, especially in the crypto market. You need to be fast. Supercharge your profits, high caliber sniping and swapping tool in the palm of your hands for a 1% trading fee. Optimize your strategies by utilizing state-of-art futures. So it also gives you an overview of your profit and losses on that trade. It's very nice. Beyond the trading bot. So what do we read here? Our dynamic ecosystem is designed to enrich your community. So what is the utility of the token? The utility of the token is revenue sharing, exclusive access to the community, giveaways, and of course also trading and competitions. What else? Futures. What can we see there? Deep liquidity access from Orca to Radium. Okay. Advanced sniping. So if a token is not on the market yet, if you have the contract address, of course, you can snipe the token straight away on launch. B is WSOL mode. You can also trade with Repsol. Portfolio management. It gives you a high and a better overview of your portfolio and also of your trades. Track your profits and losses in real time. Cutting edges also in limit orders, so you can put limit orders, especially when you see a price and you think, hey, I want to buy at 1 cent and the price is currently 2 cents. You cannot be there for 24/7. You need to put some limit orders or sell orders because sometimes you want to cash out for a 5x, but you went to bed and you think, hey, shit, the price is now down or it passed above it and then it goes down, but you can put limit orders there so you can just go to bed, sleep well, and it's way easier and way better to trade with limit orders. Yito bundles, gain the edge by tipping directly to Yito validators. Yito boost transaction priority, so you can also speed up your transactions to be earlier than other people. What else? They have already a total volume of 300 million on the trading bot and 40,000 users, and the revenue that they generated was already 2 million, guys. So as a token holder, you get revenue share of this 2 million, of course. So when the bot grows, more users, more revenue, more profit share for you. Introducing RS token, a way for your part to be ReadySwap ecosystem. There's also other benefits with the fee. They're also doing buybacks and burns, revenue sharing, and also referral program, and of course the treasury fee to maintain the project. Buybacks and burns, 58% of the fees. So if you go above and we see 2 million, around 50% is already 1 million of buyback and burns on the chart. So it's insane. Revenue share, referral, and earn. And if we talk about the buybacks and burns, this is the chart of ReadySwap. And as you can see, the chart grows so hard. And it launched on the 20th of May. And we can see it has a pump, people take profits. It has a pump, people take profits. And again, a pump, people take profits. And currently, with the current market of Bitcoin that is going downwards, we see a very strong chart. So I think ReadySwap is a nice buy opportunity, especially here. What we can see also on the website is that you can refer friends and earn. So if you refer a friend to the bot, you get 20% of the trading fees of ReadySwap, and you can just claim it every 24 hours. 6% of the fees goes to the treasury. This is just to maintain, develop the project, giveaways and stuff like that. This is the contact address you can find here, but also in the bio, the roadmap. What is coming is also that you can do an ultimate copy trader. If you find a wallet you want to copy trade, just copy paste the wallet address and you can copy his trade, scout toolkit, hunter, regiment, X rewards for upcoming, and also dashboard version 2, so a way better dashboard, and pump.fun plus. You can already snipe on pump.fun, but they are doing a plus version for that. Down to the road. So what is also coming later on, Base Saga, Rebirth of Ethereum, and also RS Ultra. What else? So this was the website, guys. This was the website already, but let's talk about the Twitter page. What can we find on the Twitter page? Because the price of the chart looks quite interesting, and I think there are some cool developments ongoing of the project. We can already see over 650,000 distributed to the holders. So if you're a token holder, you get of course a portion of that. We are happy to announce a listing on MEXC. The guys are listed on MEXC, and I think when a project is buying themselves on a listing in MEXC, it costs money. Why would you spend 60, 70k on a listing if you don't want to build long term? So these guys are thinking about long term, getting listing on exchanges and stuff like that. There's also a document, a full document, which you can read with all the information you need, explanations more in depth about the bot. Also, Moonshot direct integration. Trading on Moonshot by DexScreen is now integrated by ReadySwap, so making us the first and allow instant access with advanced trading bot for ReadySwap on Moonshot. I think this was the Twitter, guys. Okay, let's talk about the chart. We can see the chart. Like I said, we see a nice chart growing. People take profits, of course, it's very healthy. But we can also see that we are currently in a nice pullback. Of course, some people ask me, how much shall I buy? I think about when I buy this moment, I will say, okay, I will 30% of I want to buy in total. If I have $1,000 to spend, I do 300 right now. And when the market is going up and we see another pullback, I buy another 300. Or when we go more down, I buy another 300. With this, I get the average price for long term. Now let's talk about the Telegram bot. So I just copy paste the ReadySwap contact address inside Telegram. And as you can see, you see the contact address here above ReadySwap. And you can also see a lot of options, a lot of buttons. But what is everything? So I will highlight the most important things. So you can see wallets. Here you can set up your own wallet. Delete is, of course, going back to the main menu. You can see delay, auto tip, slippage. Slippage is, of course, how many percentage do you want to risk if you buy the price increase? So how much do you lose on the real price? It's most of the time 5% or 1%. Between 1 and 5% is very healthy. What else can we see, guys? So buy, how much do you want to buy? You can just click on 0.05 or just 0.1 and it buys straight away that amount of SOL for your project. You can also see buy 1 SOL or buy X SOL, and by clicking on X you see straight away that you can enter how much SOL you want to do, example 2 or 3. But the buttons makes it so easy. Just click on 1 or 0.5 and you can just buy straight away. You can also see the sell panel, and by clicking on 50% you sell straight away 50% of your holdings or 100%. And you can also click on sell all, of course, and you can also see limit orders, and with this you can put an amount where do you want to buy or where do you want to sell. So you can click on specific levels where you want to do this. So guys, getting back to the Crypto Journey channel, if you want to stay up to date about upcoming gems, you need to like and subscribe to the channel. And thanks for watching. I hope you get informed about ReadySwap. I am bullish on the project, especially with the Telegram bots and the memecoin season that is ongoing on Solana. You want to make your life easier, not harder. So ReadySwap is there for you to make more access and more your life easier as a trader for Solana memecoins. I see you in the next video. Bye bye.